So hi everybody, I hope you are fine. I'm fine as well. So आज की वीडियो जो है it's about my straightener. Looking for a good straightener for some time and I was unable to find it. When I found it, I wanted to share it with you guys because you know your girl is all about affordable stuff, affordable legit stuff that works. तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढा, जितने अच्छे जो हाई क्वालिटी स्ट्रेटनर्स थे दे वर लाइक टू फ्रिकन एक्सपेंसिव, यानी 13-14 हज़ार was nothing. So I dig up and I found this amazing gem of a straightener which does its job pretty well. Company claims it keeps your hair shiny, keeps your hair away from any sort of damage. Keep watching this video from start till the end because it's one of those straighteners that you must own once in a lifetime. It's all that you need for yourself. Okay, so the one that I bought is from Dawlance. This is it. It is DWHS 7032 Botanica hair straightener from Dawlance. Okay, so the company claims that these straighteners plates have lavender infused oil that gives your hair shine and it restores your hair. और इसके अलावा इनके और दो स्ट्रेटनर्स भी हैं. दिस इज़ पर्पल, ऑब्वियसली imitating the lavender flowers. So basically इनके 3 मॉडल्स आए हैं. एक है DWHS 7031. It's green in color, or according to the company it has chamomile oil infused in the plates. Then comes DWHS 7032, which is this one. Of course, it has lavender oil infused in it. And then comes DWS 7033, which is yellow in color and has rosemary oil in it. Okay, so price wise आपको ये जो है आपको पड़ेगा 6500 का, which is nothing, especially when it comes to its performance. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि it comes with 3 years of claimable warranty. It has this lock at the back, जिसमें जो है ना बेसिकली चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन लॉक है. अगर आप इसको खोलेंगे तो स्ट्रेटनर इस तरह खुल जाएगा, एंड इफ़ यू क्लोज इट आउट द स्ट्रेटनर गेट्स क्लोज. एंड अपेरेंटली दिस लाइन इंश्योर्स कि आपके बाल एक लाइन में, एक अलाइनमेंट के अंदर स्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं. ये 220 डिग्रीज तक गर्म हो सकता है. और इफ़ यू वांट, इफ़ लाइक यू आर इन अ हरी एंड यू वांट योर हेयर टू बी स्ट्रेटन आउट quickly, so you can press this button. ये immediately like within 6-8 seconds आपकी जो स्ट्रेटनर है इसको 220 डिग्रीज़ के ऊपर गर्म कर सकता है. Which is good for people who are in a hurry. Otherwise you can adjust the temperature from here. You can turn it off from here. Plus आपने जो भी टेम्परेचर की एनालिसिस करनी है you can do it from here. It's a very good product, especially in only 6500 rupees when the other straighteners of this sort is in 16,000 of price range. साथ ये जो इसकी वायर है इट्स रोटेटेबल, ताकि आपकी स्ट्रेट करते हुए आपकी जो ये पीछे वायर होती है वो क्लैंप ना करे और वो जुड़ ना जाए साथ. ओके, सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अपने बाल इससे स्ट्रेट करके दिखाऊंगी सो दैट यू विल हैव एन आइडिया हाउ दिस वर्क्स. सो आई जस्ट टर्न इट ऑन. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. And because I'm in rush, so I'm going to press this button over here. So it turns itself off within 60 minutes.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you
Seen my hair before and you've seen my hair now. See the shine that this straightener has created, and look at the straighten out hair. I love it so much. So if you're looking for a cheaper yet reliable and premium straightener, this one is it for you. Do check it out and let me know how you found it and did it work for you guys or not. ये है कि these buttons, जब आप अपने बाल स्ट्रेट कर रहे होते हैं, so you accidentally press different buttons, which is a little bit off putting for me. I'm not sure कि ये बाकी स्ट्रेटनर्स में भी होता है या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे पास बाकी जो स्ट्रेटनर्स हैं उसमें ये वाला सीन नहीं है. It doesn't have buttons, especially here. So this was the only problem I found. Otherwise, it is a great product. Use it. Thank you again for watching the video. I hope you liked the content. I hope you found it useful. And yeah, I'm gonna meet with you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.